Well, there's something about the mountain there they say is good for your soul. And I say home is not a place, it's where your heart feels its most whole. And I remember the way that wind brushed across my face. I was home, I was home. 'Cause I've been blowing lights, feeling anxious, I suppose. Nearly lost my mind, but with open eyes I know that I don't need to drown it out, 'cause I'm happy here now. Never know where your life's gonna take you until it brings you home.